Labdien, godātie kolēģi! Man ir prieks šodien tikties ar, jāsaka, jau senu draugu un kolēģi Nikolu, kurš ir bijis gan Ziemeļmaķedonijas ārlietu ministrs, gan tagad ir ministrs prezidents biedrs Eiropas integrācijas jautājumos. Mēs apspriedām veselu rindu jautājumu, sākot no reģionālās situācijas Balkānos, protams, arī Eiropas Savienības paplašināšanos. Es paudu stingru un nemainīgu Latvijas atbalstu Ziemeļmaķedonijas integrācijai Eiropas Savienībā. Es domāju, ka tas, ko ir izdarījis Maķedonija līdz šim, Ziemeļmaķedonijas republika līdz šim, ir pamats tam, lai šo valsti sāktu formālu sarunu procesu, sāktu pirmo starpvaldību konferenci, un ir pilnīgi skaidrs, ka mēs redzam mūsu kolēģus un partnerus, kas jau šobrīd ir NATO dalību valsts, Ziemeļmaķedonija arī Eiropas Savienības sastāvā. Nikolai just said that it has been great to meet you again. The last time we met in person, you were then the foreign minister of North Macedonia, and that was probably one of the last visits prior to the pandemic. But I think that a year ago, when I and Polish and Lithuanian and Estonian colleagues visited Skopje, we already said then that North Macedonia has made incredible progress. Now I think that after our talks, after the information I received about the progress in the reform process, after the discussions about the regional situation in the West Balkans, I can reaffirm Latvia's strong and unwavering position that the future of North Macedonia is in the European Union. We believe that there is a time, and hopefully EU will start soon, the first intergovernmental conference. And of course, this country is ready to continue supporting you both politically and also practically through different cooperation projects in order that North Macedonia becomes hopefully 28th again member state of the European Union. I just wanted also to say that we had a broad discussion also about the regional security, regional developments in the Western Balkans. Also we discussed issues that are related with current international situation. And I think that it's great that since that incredible progress that has been made politically since Prespa agreement signing, since also those processes we have all witnessed, North Macedonia is now full-fledged NATO member. North Macedonia is a great partner, also in dealing with other issues, and also is closely aligned with the foreign policy of the European Union. Thank you. And the floor is yours.